Hello students, today we recite a poem Brother. Today we recite a poem Brother. Brother means a boy or a person from same parent. Okay, here look at this picture. Here two brothers are there. One brother is elder and one is little brother. In this poem, elder brother wants to change his little brother. Elder brother wants to change his little brother. So let's start why he wants to change his little brother. Here words to know. Another, change, bother, strange, exactly, misbehaves. Here, I had a little brother and I brought him to my mother. I said I want another little brother for a change. But she said, don't be a bother. So I took him to my father and I said, this little bother of a brother's very strange. But he said, one little brother is exactly like another, and every little brother misbehaves a bit, he said. So I took the little brother from my brother and my father, and I put the little brother of a brother back to bed. Here, this elder brother took his little brother first to his mother. After that, took his brother to his father. They both are said that little brother is exactly like another. So then he put his brother back to bed. Here the poet of this poem is Mary Ann Hoberman. The poet of this poem is Mary Ann Hoberman. Mary Ann Hoberman, she was a lady. She wrote this poem. She always wrote poems about animals and family and nature. This type of poems she wrote. This poem is completed. Now turn your page. Here, fill in the blanks to complete the names of the relatives, then match the complete pair. Here some letters are missing from there. You have to fill that letters and match it. Okay, like first one is brother. Okay, then second uncle. So here you just fill that letters and match it with their relations. Now here find two words from the poem that rhyme with each of these words, like range, change, strange. They have same sound, same rhyming words. Red, shed, bed, same sound they have. Why, shy, my, other, brother, mother. This one. Your homework is learn and write poem and draw picture of brothers in your notebook. Learn and write poem and draw picture of brothers in your notebook. Now I taught you first chapter, Pinocchio. Please come to that chapter. First chapter, Pinocchio. Here I am going to give you some questions, answers. You just have to write in your notebook. Here first question is, who was Geppetto? Who was Geppetto? So Geppetto was a carpenter. Here in first page, Geppetto was a carpenter. Now second question is, what is the name of puppet? What is the name of puppet? Pinocchio is the name of the puppet. In place of what? Pinocchio we will write. Pinocchio is the name of puppet. Now who grabbed Geppetto's hair? Who grabbed Geppetto's hair? Pinocchio grabbed Geppetto's hair. This question answers you have to write in your English 2 notebook. Thank you.